Good Home Awards 2014 as such. So as an individual, what is the definition of home for you?
Home is family, home is comfort, home is easy to be in.
You know, the elite does look for expense factor and the exotic location while buying a home. When you buy a home, what do you look for?
Close enough to my mother-in-law's house so I can get food if need be from her.
Okay. You know, every individual loves his or her home, but is there any home other than yours which is very inspiring, affectionate?
I'm sorry, I didn't.
You know, every individual loves his or her home, but besides your home, is there any other, I'm talking about Salip's home as such, which is very inspiring or affectionate?
There's a lot of spaces and places that I've seen that have been inspiring to me. I really love our home because we've done it ourselves, along with a very close friend who was an architect. And I don't know. I mean, if I wanted my place or my environment to be something else, then I would have created that around me, you know, around us, our family. But there's a lot of inspiring things that I've seen in terms of design over my experience.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Sir, one second. Sir, यहाँ पे.
As an individual, when you define home, what is the definition for you?
I think home is all about building with a lot of care and love and a family together. Or not even in family, it's about passion. It's about what you love and what you want to see every day, how you want to get up. Home is comfort. Home is where your zone is.
But when an elite does buys a home, I mean, it's for the expense factor, the exotic location. But when when you buy a home, what do you look for?
Well, it's not about being expensive or being very cheap. It's about your taste, what you like, what you've been brought up with, and what you're comfortable with. That's most important.
Being a celebrity, you must have visited all the celebrities' homes. Whose home has been very inspiring, very affectionate too?
Well, a couple of places which are really nice. I've been to Shilpa Shetty's house, Bipasha's house. They've all been done with a lot of passion. A lot of design element has gone in it. Of course, Shilpa's house has been done by Suzanne, and every piece and every artifact has been taken care of.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, 1 second.
Thank you. Sir. Just come, sir, please. Yes. Camera. The Good Homes Award from As an individual, what is the definition of home for you?
I think home is where the heart is. When you walk into your own house, you should feel very, very comfortable. You should feel at home. You should not feel heavy when you walk into your house. It should always feel like it's always smelling of the best of flowers. And that's what I feel home is. When you come back home, you feel that warmth and that comfort of a very plush couch that just takes you in.
When an editor buys a home, he looks for expense factor, exotic location. But when an individual buy a home or have bought a home, what do you look for it?
I think when I bought my home, when my father bought the house, the first thing we look for is the location, because you don't want to be in a very noisy environment. You want to be situated somewhere which is very quiet and it's relaxing, and the traffic is not buzzing in your ears, because we stay in Bombay, so there's just a lot of banter that comes from the city. So I think that's the first thing that we looked in when we bought a house, the location, yes.
And you yourself are a celebrity, so you must have visited celebrity's home.
Yeah.
Whose home has been very affectionate, very inspiring for you?
Nobody's home has been very aspiring for me. I think, I have this small abode where I find my own comfort, my own warmth, and, it's a home for me and my family, and I think that's what aspires and inspires me.
Thanks.
Thank you.
How do I define home? Home is where your family is, where your heart is, where your mind is, where beauty is, and where love is.
But when the elite just look out for home, they look out for the expense factor, the exotic location as such. So when you buy a home and when you bought a home, what do you look for?
I look for convenience that fits into what my family wants from a home, and I think my family would look for location, and they'd look for the kind of comforts that I suppose they're accustomed to.
Every individual loves his or her home, but you have been a celebrity, you must have visited all the celebs' homes as well. Any celeb home which is very inspiring, very affectionate as such?
Any celebrity home which is outstanding, I can only think of one, that's Parmeshwar and Adi Godrej's fabulous, beautiful artistic home. Thanks very much.
Sir, intervals.
Sir, it's the Good Homes Award 2014. So when you define home as such, as an individual, how can you define home? Just cannot.
Home is a place which makes me comfortable. It's where I come back to relax, to chill. I travel a lot, so for me, home is where everything is comfortable. I don't have to think twice about anything. Everything is clockwork.
You know, when this elite class look out for home, they look out for the expense factor, location, exotic location as such. When you as an individual bought the home or you buy a home in the future, what do you look for it?
The first thing I look for when I buy a home is ease of use. It has to be close to my workplace. It has to be close to my family, the extended family. And besides that, then whatever else comes.
And you yourself is a celebrity and you must have visited all the celebs' homes as such. Any celeb home which is very inspiring, very affectionate, very life.
I really haven't been to too many houses to actually comment about that.
Okay. But still, I mean, any home which is besides your house is very inspiring.
No, not really.
Thanks.